Hi guys, welcome to Primary. As you can see, absolutely stunning evening. Just got down to one of my local permissions. It's quite a nice big farm, this one, about 300 acres. So yeah, I'm down to clear a few rabbits. I first started off here in the horse paddocks with one of my wife's friends got in touch because they had a lot of trouble with the rabbits digging around the horses and causing risk of injury to their legs and stuff with the warrens, etc. So yeah, I picked up this perm maybe 5-6 months ago now. It's all been drilled. They grow a lot of corn here, and yeah, the farmers asked me to come down because you can see a few patches where the rabbits are starting to already chew down the crops. So we're down here this evening. As you can see, I've got my CZ452 22lr. I've got a Nitesite Viper, got a rangefinder, so it should be a good evening. I'm using the eley 42 grain subsonics, extremely quiet ammo, deadly accurate through this rifle. The CZ absolutely loves them, and they're even more so quiet because I've got the wildcat whisper on the end of the rifle, as you may see up there and there. And also fantastic product. Tried it with the high speed 2 rounds as well, and still ridiculously quiet. So that makes no odds whether I use subsonics or the higher speed, but I'm using the eleys because my rifle absolutely loves them. So yeah, I've just done a review on the laser rangefinder, as you may have seen, and this is the continuation video to that. I've been out prior with the equipment, absolutely cracking bit of kit, and I know that it's going to do me justice this evening. So I'm just waiting for the sun to drop down a little bit more, go and grab a nice cup of coffee, have a little walk around the perimeter and see where I'm going to set up or what field I'm going to see the most action on. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and we'll have some good footage this evening. Right guys, so as you can see, I've had quite a couple of successful evenings there. I've had this bit of kit now for a couple of weeks, referring to the laser rangefinder, and my god, it's such a massive difference using the Nitesite or any NV setup, to be honest. I know a couple of guys that are using them with the Pete Dodsworth NV UK setups, and yeah, they work equally as well on that kit, but obviously they were manufactured for the Nitesite, and what an absolutely fantastic job they do. I know that a few guys say to me all the time, "Oh, you're a pro staff at Nitesite, you're going to say good things about them." That's not how it works for me, I'm afraid. I don't get paid to say good things about products, and to be honest with you, I've had products offered to me in the past to review that I don't particularly like, so therefore I won't review them, because I don't necessarily like putting a company's product down, because there's guys out there that do like it, there's some that don't, so that's the way that I like to work, and I like to review the stuff that I do like, and that's how it is with Nitesite. I mean, I really appreciate the effort that the guys go through to get this stuff out there, the hard work the promotional team do that I met at the British shooting show. You know, they're all over the country all the time. It's the same with Thomas Jacks and the thermal imaging stuff that's on the market at the minute. The guys just work extremely hard to get the good products out there, and I mean, if stuff that I like gets offered to me to review, then I'll do it. So sorry to ramble on a little bit, but I've had a couple of moody messages over the last couple of days referring to stuff like that, so I'd just like to try and clear a few little bits and pieces up. But yeah, absolutely wonderful little bit of kit this. As you may have seen in my review, lightweight, absolutely no added weight to this at all, 150 grams. I mean, you know, an apple probably weighs more than that, to be honest. And yeah, the 22lr performing fantastically as well, and the Hawke sidewinder, which is an absolute god bless for the Nitesite to run through, clear as day, fantastic optics, clear glass, and the Nitesite works extremely well through it. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I know that there's been a few good kill shots on there this time round, and a few more than what I usually capture. I don't like to put too many on my videos, because I don't want to sort of put it all out there and then have nothing to show on the next video, so I'll try and hold some back. So yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, please leave them in the links in the comment sections below, and stay tuned for more. Hopefully in a couple of weeks we'll get another video out. Cheers guys.